Welcome to MunroMotors.com. Here we have a 2017 Ford Mustang Premium GT in white platinum tricoat metallic on ceramic and black leather interior. So we'll just start over at the trunk area. I'll let you have a look. So a nice sized trunk in the Mustang, as you can see. We've got the side pieces that go on beside the convertible top when it's down. So those are there for you. If we pull this up underneath, we've got the inflation kit that's all sealed up. That's great. Have a look in the seams on this car. Very clean, as you can see. Looks great. Let you have a look at the trunk lid. Looks good. So we'll close this one up. And I'll step back, let you have a look. So we've got the nice chrome GT badging there. We've got the LED tail lights. We've got Roush dual exhaust on this, so that's great. And we've got a reverse light there in the center. I'll just let you have a look underneath the car here. So there's the underneath shot. Looks good. Step up. We've got the deck lid spoiler there, which is color matched to the car. Looks awesome. And I'll just shift around the side here. Here's your rear wheel. So it looks like it's in really good shape, as you can see. We've got nice Bridgestone brand new tires on this one. We've got red painted calipers, painted rotors, and I'll just let you have a look in the wheel well area. Kind of hard to see, it's a little dark, but it is nice and clean. Let's see if I can get in there. There you go. And over here on the passenger side, here's the passenger door. So we've got the nice leather insert, baseball stitching, chrome door handle, brushed aluminum finished handle below, power locks, power windows, chrome surround around the speaker. And I'll just let you have a look underneath on the door frames. Looks good. And there's the sill plate. So it the Mustang portion illuminates. So that'll light up, and we'll have a look underneath here from this side. Looks good. Here's your passenger seat. So it's got power fore aft, up, down, manual recline, and I'll just scan up the seat here for you so you can see the condition. Looks great. And we'll pull this forward and have a look at the rear seats. So there's the rear seats for you. It's got speakers in the panels on each side there. That's great. So we'll fold this back. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame, nice and clean. And let's check in the glove box. So in the glove box, we've got the wheel lock key, and we've got the Mustang books there as well. So that's great. And then we've got the Mustang logo here since 1964. Have a look at the dash while I'm here. It's in great shape. Awesome. So we'll just top out. We'll close this side up. We've got heated mirrors and the nice convex mirror there in the corner. And I'll just step back and we'll scan down this side of the car for you. So there it is. Looks great. I'd also like to point out while I'm here, we've got 3M on the lower rocker there, so that'll protect it against stone chips. Continue scanning down this side here for you. And here's your chrome 5-liter badge. And then there's your front wheel. So looks great. It's in really good shape, as you can see. Painted rotors, painted calipers, and again, nice brand new Bridgestone tires on there. And there's the suspension for you. Looks good. Great. So we'll step back and go around the front here. So there's the engine. It's the V8 5-liter motor, 435 horsepower paired to the 6-speed manual transmission. We've got the strut tower brace there. Looks great. Everything's nice and clean, as you can see. All right, so we'll close this up and we'll have a look from the front. There it is from the front. Love the tricoat paint. Got the chrome pony on the front. We've got the HID projector headlights, LED daytime running lights, and fog lights below. Let's see, so for stone chips, there's one guy here and here, and one guy here and here. And I think there was one other mark right here on the lower valance. I mean, you're gonna get those going down the road, but they are there, so we're pointing them out. So we'll just shift around. Here's your front wheel. Looks great. Red painted calipers, nice painted rotors, brand new Bridgestone tires. Looks awesome. Same thing back here. Great. So over at the driver's side, we've got our chrome door handle, power locks, power windows, power mirrors, brushed aluminum finish handle, chrome speaker surround, illuminated kick plate, and I'll also show you underneath the door. There it is underneath the door. Looks good. And here's a shot underneath from this side. There you go. So at the driver's side, you've got your power fore, aft, up, down, power lumbar adjustment, manual seat recline, and I'll just go ahead and scan up the seat so you can see the condition. Looks great. And as I get in, just have a look in the door frame. Nice and clean. And let's get in and fire this one up. So it's push button to start down here. There it is. All right. So in terms of kilometers, we have 40,649 kilometers. No warning lights, no issues on the dash. We've got arrow keys down here, which control the different gauges up there. We've got our cruise control buttons here. We've got our telephone and voice command controls down here, mute for the radio, volume controls, track change, and source here. You've got your fog light control, automatic headlights, dimmer, which is digital. You've got a pocket here for change and whatnot. You got your trunk release down here. And then we'll move over to this side. We've got our vents, so they open and close like so. There's your stereo, so audio, climate, phone, nav, and apps. So here's climate, so dual zone climate control. Here's your telephone, so telephone controls, nav. There's your navigation, so full factory nav, apps. So connect to a device, find mobile apps, Sirius travel link, and your settings. Down below, here's your volume, here's your tune, power on, track change. We've got a CD player on this. There's your heated and cooled seats, and then this is the temperature control. So as I'm moving that, this is the driver's side temp. As I move this one, there's your passenger side temp. Okay, and then below we've got mode. So when we select mode, we've got driving mode, normal, sport plus, track, snow, wet. Beside that one is steering feel, so normal, sport, or comfort. And beside that one is traction control on off, 4 ways, push button start. We've got a USB, we've got a 12-volt socket here. There's your key, so it's a proximity key, it just needs to be on your person, lock, unlock, trunk release, and panic. There's your 6-speed shifter, and there's your illumination and the cup holder. We've got the center console here, it's got a 12-volt socket and a USB. On the visor here, there's your garage door buttons. Here's your power roof, so we'll go ahead and we'll put that up. There's the roof, lock it in place, and then we'll go ahead and we'll put the windows up. So we start with the rears, perfect, put the fronts up, awesome, and let's just hop out with it running there. Let you have a listen to the Roush. Nice sound to it. And we'll check it out from the front with the headlights on. There it is from the front. And I'll just scan down this side for you. Looks good. Nice rumble from the Roush. LED taillights look great. There you have it, folks. 2017 Ford Mustang Premium GT here and available at MunroMotors.com. Come on down and have a look at this one for yourself. Look forward to seeing you real soon.